everybody, welcome to Trilogy Tech Talk. I'm Rena Santoro, and we are at the 2016 RSA conference in San Francisco. And here to help me out is Jonathan Sander of Lieberman Software. Jonathan, how you doing?
I'm doing okay. Rena, how about yourself?
I'm doing very well, thank you.
All right, cool.
All right, Jonathan, give me a little scoop of what Lieberman Software is about and what you guys are up to.
Sure. So what we do is protect what's called privileged credentials, right? So everything in technology, everything that has a little green blinking light on it, whether it's a real one or a fake one, has a privileged credential, some kind of administrative ID. They need protection. We provide that protection, whether it's in the deepest bowels of your data center or out in the cloud or anywhere in between.
All right. And what are you guys announcing during RSA this year?
So we actually just came out with a whole new version of the software. This new platform, the exciting headline feature is that you have amazing cloud support built in. And what we mean by that is basically we're now covering the cloud inside and out, right? So that means we can actually get inside the cloud, protect the privileged credentials of the systems that are running there, but also protect those accounts that are kind of on the outside of the cloud. These really powerful accounts people use to log on to configure the cloud, which can cause a lot of damage if they get in the wrong hands. And we can now protect both that outside and inside, so it's cloud inside out. And that's the big deal for us right now.
Okay, and what are your customers saying about all this cloud business and what Lieberman Software is doing?
So we're a completely customer-driven organization, right? So all of the decisions that came to us having this cloud inside out really came from our customers telling us that, we've been doing the inside part of this cloud for a long time, but they were telling us that they needed to do all of it, the outside and the inside, so we listened, right? And I mean, the other piece is that they're pretty excited that we've also made all of this available through our industry-leading ability to orchestrate stuff, right?
And everyone's talking about how they differentiate themselves or how they're cooler than one another. How are you guys so cool? What are you guys doing? How are you guys separating yourself?
Well, first of all, we have this awesome color red that we paint everything, and that's not really it, right? So the real differentiation that we see is speed, scale, and automation, right? Now, speed and scale, that explains itself. We go faster and we can go bigger than any of our competitors, and that's a big deal. The automation, that needs a little explanation. So we have the ability to use our product in conjunction with all the ways that people are automating their data centers today. So people don't want a lot of humans touching stuff at this point. They've figured out that's a bad idea. So they're trying to automate everything and make it run on its own. And they want their security to keep up with that. So the operations are being automated. They want security automated as well. We can do that right now. And we only made it better with this latest release.
All right. And what can we expect from Lieberman Software in the near future?
So obviously, we're not stopping, right? So we're working hard on the next version of the platform, and some of the things we want to do is we want to put more automation capability in there because we basically want to make everything automatable the whole time. We're also working in conjunction with some of our best partners to help build an automatic response to threats, right? And this is really leading edge stuff, and I can't really define a lot of it right now, but the idea is that today, there's a lot of people in here which will give you a nice little dashboard that'll turn red when something's wrong, which really means somebody should really do something. And what we're going to do is give you the ability to hook us up to that, so when it turns red, something happens automatically. And that means that you can sort of rest easy and let the automatic controls help you when things go wrong and not depend on some human going and doing it for you.
All right. And is there anything else you'd like to add?
No, I don't think so. I think I'm going to go play some of these video games at my this booth over here. I don't know, that's kind of strange, but other than that, I think we're good.
All right, well, thank you very much. And are you going to have any time to hang out in the city?
Oh, yeah.
Go to any bars or shows or?
Well, I don't know about any shows, and I think we were already talking about last night. I made my share of poor life choices, and I'll probably do that again. I like San Francisco. I've got friends out here, so that's good stuff. I try to balance it out to work all day and, well, I wouldn't say all night, but at least play at night. Yeah.
Yeah, you have to. It's the city. You got to have fun.
Exactly.
All right. Well, thank you so much, and good luck with the rest of the show.
Thanks, Rena. You too.
Thank you.